This is the Alpicool fridge freezer compressor fridge, and it's about £140 on Amazon. It can hold 9 cans of cider plus a little bit of extra food to give you a bit of an idea of the size. It's only small, but I already have a fridge in the camper van and just want a bit of extra for my beer and other things. Now powering it up with the River 2 Max by EcoFlow, and it says at startup there's about 12 hours before it's flat. You can adjust the temperature on the Alpicool, and there's also an app that goes with it. The Alpicool is supplied with a 12 volt and mains lead. I've used the 12 volt lead here just to see how it goes. Fairly quiet running. The max display is fluctuating between 16 and 14 hours. This is showing partially the app on the Alpicool, where you can adjust it wirelessly. It goes from -20 to +20 on the Alpicool C9.
Okay, this has just arrived. I've installed it in the motorhome. She's running on a 12 volt that I've installed. She's been running for about an hour and a half, and she's at -14. I had put a drink in here just to test her out, and the drink is lovely and cold after just an hour. It's using very little power. I was surprised how little power it's using. Here we have a power gauge here, and the power in the battery has dropped. This one's being topped up by the solar panel. So the power in the battery has dropped, but not by much, not really, considering. So although there's a mains cable with this fridge, which I didn't realise, which is helpful, although there is a mains cable with the fridge, I don't think I'm going to need it. I think I'm going to have to just leave it on the battery.